Hi everyone! This week in English 1A you'll be writing a reading response. So to prepare you for that assignment, I want to show you this assignment in English 149. This has to do with paraphrasing, and it's also going to help you review some of the text you'll need to read for the reading response assignment. So let's talk about what paraphrasing is. It's when writers restate and rewrite text in their own words to capture the main focus of the reading. This strategy forces readers to pay close attention to the author's ideas and helps improve the reader's level of understanding. So often you might be restating an idea that the author has, and of course when you restate an idea and it's in your own words but it's really using the idea of the author, you'll always want to credit the author and use in-text citation as well to show that this idea came from the author and not from you. So I want you to practice paraphrasing as you answer these questions about the reading called the fulcrum and the lever. And this is the reading your reading response is based upon. You'll see for question 1, I did this answer for you. So you don't have to re-answer this question, but I wanted to show you an example of paraphrasing and how I used it. So the question is, because the brain's resources are limited, what choice are we left with? Now let's look at the original text. This is from the actual chapter, and this is what I based my answer on. Because our brain's resources are limited, we are left with a choice: to use these finite resources to see only pain, negativity, stress, and uncertainty, or to use those resources to look at things through a lens of gratitude, hope, resilience, optimism, and meaning. So now I'm going to restate this idea in my own words by paraphrasing it. And I say, our brains can only experience the world in a limited way. Consequently, we must choose in what way we prefer to use our resources. We can elect to see only the pain and stress that surrounds us, or we can focus on hope and gratitude. So you can see a lot of those ideas are repeated, even though it's in my own words. I've repeated the ideas of the author, and I am using in-text citation to show what page I was looking at when I restated that text. So for these following questions, except for question 5, so for question 2, 3, and 4, I would like you to paraphrase your answer for each of these questions. So you'll be, once you find the answer in the text, you'll be restating it in your own words, but using ideas from the text, and then adding that in-text citation at the end. For number 5, this is an exercise on page 80, so that one does not need a paraphrase. So I think as you go through and paraphrase these ideas from the text, this is going to give you a foundation to get started writing that reading response and give you some ideas where you might want to take that thematic response and what you'd like to write about. So again, please ask if you have questions, and I'll talk to you soon.